Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, I just want to show you guys how you can access the solutions for chemistry assignment 2. Okay, so this is question 1 and 2. Uh, Actually, let me show you the full assignment. Okay, so this is the assignment here. It has question 1 up to question 11. Okay, so there are different questions there. There are questions on enzymes. Okay, there are questions on how to draw um, peptides. Okay, for example, this one hexapeptides consisting of different amino acids. Um, there are questions on how to draw a phospholipid, how to draw a glycolipid, and how to show the cyclization, okay, of monosaccharides. So they've given us 5 of them here, and they want you to show uh, how you can cyclize each of these monosaccharides. Okay, so at Discrete Learning Institute, we've actually solved and answered all these questions here that you can see. And we have uploaded the assignment, say on our website or on our mobile app. Okay, so on our mobile app, you can even download it and view it offline. Okay, so if you'd like to access those solutions, you're welcome to do so. So when you go on our website, you will see something like this. So you have to enroll for this course here, written as chemistry. So if you enroll here on top, it should write enrolled. So once you open it, okay, you're going to find 2 folders, general chemistry and this folder for bio and organic chemistries. So if you're in second semester Apex, you go in this folder. If you're in first semester, you're just going to go in this folder. Okay, so I'll open this folder, okay, for bio and organic chemistry. You see, I find 4 folders. So the first folder here has lessons and tutorials on each topic that you learn. Okay, so you can use them to learn at your own time. In this folder, we have summarized notes that you can also use to learn. Here we have the tutorial sheet and the assignments. Okay, so here, that's where you're going to find the assignment solution, the tutorial sheet solutions, written solutions, as well as the video solutions. And then if you want past papers, you just come in this folder. You're going to find the past papers there. Okay, and then when you open this tutorial sheets and assignment folder here, okay, what will come there? Okay, let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so once it loads, you see the different intakes here. So you can use the materials to learn. If you want, you can go to the July 2024 intake. You're going to learn 25 January 2025 intake, you can learn. For your intake is 2025 July intake, right? So you can go there and July intake. And then you go to, okay, so in fact, here they, so full solutions for assignment 1, full solutions for assignment 2, and then you have the tutorial sheet videos. So this course is divided into 2 parts. We have the organic chemistry part and the biochemistry. So the organic chemistry part had 5 tutorial sheets. You can see the tutorial sheets there, the videos are there, so you can then at your own time. And then the biochemistry part also has tutorial sheets. You can see the tutorial sheet there on different topics, starting from amino acids all the way to enzyme kinematics. So you can use these videos to learn at your own time, at your own pace. Okay. And if you want, you can go to the folder for past papers. You also learn. Okay, so it's not just chemistry. We also have math, physics, and biology. So you register for the course of your choice. So for example, if I open math again, I'm going to find general mathematics and probability and statistics for a second semester Apex. So if you're in second semester Apex, you go in this folder. If you're in the first semester, you go here. So you can click this second semester. Okay, you're going to find past papers. So here, if you go there, you find the past papers on math. So you can go to the video solutions here. You're going to find videos here for the past papers. Okay, so you can use these videos to learn at your own time, at your own pace. Okay, and if you also want tutorial sheet video solutions, they are here. You can come to the tutorial sheet video solutions. You go to July intake. for your intake, and then you go to video solutions. You see, you're going to find which intake did I go in? Oh, I went in the July 2024 intake. I have to go in the 2025 one. Okay, so 2025 one, is this the first one? This one here. Okay, so video solutions. Okay, just wait for it to load. So we actually have an app. So on the app, you can download it from Play Store. On the app, you can download the videos and watch them offline. So you don't always have to use bundles when you're watching our videos. So you can install the mobile app for those who have Android phones. For the iPhone, we are working on the app. Very soon it will be released. So you can see the tutor sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Very soon I'm going to upload tutor sheet 7. So you can use these videos to learn at your own time, at your own pace. Okay. So for these guys here, we also have the written solutions for these tutorial sheets here. So the written solutions are just in this folder. So when you open that folder, you're going to find the written solutions, tutorial sheet 1, all the way up to tutorial sheet what? 6. So you can use them. Okay. So if you're interested, okay, in our videos, then you're free to register for our classes. You can check out the link in the description below here. Okay. It's a link that gives you a registration video guide. So in that video, you'll be told how you can create an account with us if you do not have, and then how you can register for the desired courses. Okay. And then in the link also, there's the link to our website, okay, and the link to our mobile app. So those who have Android phones, make sure you download the Android app, because on the app, you download the videos, download the files, and view them offline. Okay. You don't always have to use your bundles when you are studying. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope our website and our platform will be of help as you are preparing for the what? For the final exam. Okay, so this has been Tutor Poul Solutions. I'll always be there for you guys. Okay, so bye.